This video will show you how to replace the operator on a Silverline casement window. When replacing your window operator, you will need safety glasses, a flat blade screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver or drill with a Phillips bit. You will also need a replacement operator. Start by unlocking the sash and opening it approximately 60 degrees. Next, release the operator arm from the sash bracket. It may be helpful to use a flat blade screwdriver. Releasing the operator arm allows the sash to swing freely. During windy conditions, the sash may swing outward and break free, causing personal injury and/or property damage. Support the sash during the replacement process. Use extreme care when working around a window opening. Never leave a window opening unattended, especially when children are present. Falling from a window opening may result in severe injury or death. The operator arms may need to be moved left or right so that the screws in the operator are visible and accessible. Remove the operator handle by loosening the set screws and set aside. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the operator to the window frame. Depending on the series and the age of your casement window, the screws will either be located at the base of the operator or through the window frame and into the back of the operator. Save the screws for reuse. Remove the operator from the frame by pulling inward with one hand while using your other hand to guide the operator arm through the window frame. To install the new casement operator, open the operator arms and guide them through the window frame with one hand while pushing the operator into the window frame with the other. Make sure that the operator is fully seated in the window frame and that the installation screw holes in the operator are aligned with the screw holes in the window frame. Now, secure the operator in place using the previously removed screws. Snap the cover into place. Then, reattach the handle. Secure the straight arm to the shoe that is located in the straight arm glide channel and the split arm into the sash bracket. Finally, close and lock the window. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the operator on your Silverline casement window.